Today I'm going to share with you two ways you can engage with the parent community within your class. So here I've got a simple newsletter template where both teachers and students could add what has occurred in the classroom that week. So by inserting photos or text into this document, students and teachers can then simply click on the Mote icon and record a summary of what learning has taken place. The other template I wanted to share was the Meet the Teacher. So at the beginning of the year, typically teachers would share something out with their students to take home for parents to get to know the teacher as well, who they are, their passions, their interests, etc. Teachers can still do this by inserting photos and text, but they can also add their voice to this. This personalizes it and allows parents to really hear who you are because you can portray yourself in a much better way through your voice than sometimes by text. Now, in creating these, you can then share them not only directly via email, but you can also embed them onto class blogs or school websites. So by simply going to File and then Publish to Web, it gives you the direct link or the embedded code that you can embed into other websites. So this is a quick and easy way as a teacher you can engage with the wider class community, in parents and students, to share what's happened in the classroom and also to get to know you better as a teacher.